Welcome to CorelDRAW 2019 by Bob's Graphics. Ngayon, tuturo ko ang Symmetry Drawing Mode. Circle, Ctrl D, Smart Fill, gawin mo yellow, delete, tapos ganito. Tapos right click, create new symmetry. Gawin mo 12, enter. Tapos adjust mo. Yan. Tapos ito, artistic media. Yan. Ulitin mo. Tapos artistic media. Yan. Tapos finish. Yun. Napakadali lang. Good for t-shirt printing. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Salamat guys!